For a country that is as vibrant as India, we had to come up with colors that represent the heart of the culture. All these colors were inspired by the country's achievements and beauty. Ampere Nexus comes in 4 colors. Number 1. Zanskar Aqua, inspired from the Zanskar River in Ladakh region of India. Number 2. Lunar White, inspired by the country's greatest achievement, the Chandrayaan. Number 3. Steel Grey, India's industrial reliability encapsulated in one cool metallic grey color. Number 4. Indian Red. And of course, how can we miss out on the color that represents that heart of every Indian celebration and architecture? Celebrate India's brilliance in every shade of the next big thing.